Musculoskeletal physiotherapy, or MSK Physio for short, is all about helping you move better, feel stronger, and getting you back to your optimal health. At Bodytonic Clinic, our MSK physiotherapists are experts in assessing, diagnosing, and treating injuries and conditions that affect your muscles, joints, bones, and nerves. Whether it's a new or old sports injury, a stiff shoulder from desk work, or post-surgical rehab, we tailor every treatment to you. We treat a wide range of conditions, from back and neck pain to shoulder, hip, and knee conditions. That includes sprains and strains, sciatica, tendinopathy, repetitive strain injuries, arthritis, postural problems, and prehab or rehab before or after surgery or injury. You may be struggling to complete everyday tasks, such as your work duties, house chores, gardening, or picking up the grandchildren. So whether you are experiencing pain or discomfort, a clicking joint or a stubborn ache that just won't go away, we've got you covered. Our clinics are in Canada Water and Stratford near the City of London, Canary Wharf, Rotherhithe, Surrey Quays, and the Olympic Village. Your physiotherapy plan will always start with a consultation and assessment. Then we'll build a treatment approach that fits you. This could include hands-on techniques like joint mobilization and soft tissue massage, alongside medical acupuncture, posture correction, rehab exercises, and even shockwave therapy where advised. We also offer clinical physiotherapy, Pilates, and strength and conditioning, which is perfect for rebuilding strength, control, and mobility after injury. No GP referral needed, and we're registered with major health insurers, including BUPA, AXA, Vitality, WPA, HEALIX, to name a few. Our physio team are HCPC and CSP accredited, so you're in experienced, regulated hands. If you're attending an appointment, wear loose or comfortable clothing, and if you've had scans or seen other specialists, bring along any reports or letters you have. Ready to move better, feel stronger, and take charge of your recovery? We're here to help. Book your consultation online or give us a call. We look forward to helping you on your journey to recovery.